Hi everyone, thank you once again. Today welcome back to my channel. Today I want to make a beef stew, but I'll be adding a little mackerel fish to it. I've already seasoned my meat. I'm about to start cooking. This is my fresh tomatoes and paprika. I boiled with a lot of onions and garlic, blended and cooked for a while, and here are still some onions. This is more paprika and bell pepper. Normally I prefer green bell pepper, but because I don't have it again to house, in the house I'm going to be using just this one. And I have spring onions. I'll blend everything here together with these onions, and this little garlic too. And here is the mackerel fish. I've already washed, cleaned it up. My curry, my bouillon cubes, my salt. I seasoned this with little garlic, curry, thyme, what again, paprika, and that is all. So let us start. I'll be back soon. Let me boil this first. I'll be back soon. I'll allow it to steam and bring out its own juice before I'll add more water. Here is the pepper mix. So today I choose to fry my protein. That is, I'm frying the fish now. After frying the fish, I'll also fry the beef. I steamed the beef. I steamed the fish a bit. So after frying it, I'll also fry the beef before cooking my stew. The fish is ready. So now frying the beef. The beef is ready. I just gave it a light frying. It was not too much. So it's not time to fry our stew. Tomato base. There are some onions. Chopped onions. The onions are already translucent, and then I'm adding also same tomato paste. And whenever I'm making my stew with a tomato paste, I fry my tomato paste first. Although I'm using a good brand of tomato paste, this brand is not sour at all. Does not have sour taste, but even at that, I fry first before adding my fresh tomatoes. And remember, I've already boiled the fresh tomatoes with paprika and fresh pepper with enough onions too. So let's go with this. I've fried it for a while now, so let me add the fresh tomato. I blended this and cooked 5 days ago and I left it in the freezer. Now I'll add salt. I'll add salt and I'll add curry. Still allow it to fry. While the tomato was still frying, I went to my garden to get these fresh curry leaves. I just cut it out from the garden now. I'll be adding it to it. So you can see oil have started floating on top. So by now the stew is fully fried. But it no longer has any sour taste. What I did was I fried at a very low heat so that it will not be splashing. So remember this mix, I'm adding it now. You see, with this same recipe, with all these same ingredients, I can make my stew and it will have 5 different tastes. More than 5. Let me not just say more than 5. I'm sure to make 5 different tastes of stew with the same condiments here. It's just changing the method of cooking it, and it will get delicious, and it will also be delicious too. So this is where I choose to cook today. And trust me, if you taste this too, you ask for more. So I'll finish. I don't want to cut. You can choose to cut yours if you want. I finished peeling the curry leaves, and this is the onions too, chopped onions. That will be the last. And now I'll be adding the medium cubes here, so that it will be easier for me to break. Yeah, I'll still allow it to simmer. Still on the low heat, yeah. Yeah. Let me test and see if I need to adjust the seasoning. With salt. And then I'll be adding the protein. Also the fish. Then on this point, remember the stock, but I'll not be adding all. I'll just add some, using it up. I love my stew not too thick and not too watery, so I can be checking and add more stock if need be. Our rice is almost done. Yeah. A little more. Yeah, and now, what is a delicious stew without enough onions? So this is the last stage. Our stew, delicious fish and mackerel fish and the beef stew will soon be ready. allow it to simmer again for a few minutes. Our stew is ready, and you can see not too much oil on the top, but trust me, if you taste this too, you ask for more. You will ask for more. Delicious. I want to serve my kids are hungry. Let me serve theirs. Not just for rice. You can pair with spaghetti, any pasta, spaghetti, yam, anything. You can bread, any way you want it. You can just pair with that. It's so delicious, yummy. I use Delica tin tomatoes. That is the best tin tomatoes ever. So, thank you so much for watching, and thanks for your support. And please, if you have watched to this point, please don't forget to like, subscribe too, and turn your notification bell on so as to be notified once I upload a new video. Thanks so much for your support. I really appreciate that. And bye. See you in my next one. Bye.